From the Library of Congress in Washington, D.C.
I'm Sindbad the sailor, so hardy and hale. I live on an island on the back of a whale. It's a whale of an island, that's not a bad joke. Its lord and its master is this handsome bloke. Oh, the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow. Sinbad the sailor. I scare all creation on land or on sea. But talk about women, they all fall for me. I take my adventures wherever found. I don't want to brag, folks, but I've been around. Who's the most phenomenal, extra special kind of fellow? Sinbad the sailor. From the Valley of Serpents, these diamonds I took. I clean out those serpents with one dirty look. Serpents. Oh, look at this monster so strong and so huge. He'd frighten King Kong, but he's only my stooge. The capture of Boola for me was just fun. Whoever said two heads were better than one? Ha ha! Who's the most phenomenal, extraordinary fellow?
Jus, Sinbad the sailor.
On one of my travels, I ran into this. Now, there was a thrill I'd be sorry to miss. He spread out his wings and the sunlight grew dim. He took me in his feet, but I ran off with him. Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow? Sinbad the sailor. Who's the most phenomenal, extra special kind of fellow? Sinbad the sailor. I'm afraid of nobody under the sun. All I say is, boom, my enemies run. Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow?
It's Popeye the Sailor Man. Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm strong to the finish, 'cause I eat me spinach. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm one tough gazooka, which hates all palookas. What ain't on the up and square? I biffs and I bops them and always outroughs them, but none of them gets nowhere. If anyone dares to risk me fist, it's pop and it's wham, understand? So keep good behavior, that's your one lifesaver with Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm strong to the finish, 'cause I eat me spinach. I'm Popeye the Sway Whaler Man.
Who fouls the air with notes so sour and dares to challenge Sindbad? Why, I'll fix him. Wreck that ship. But bring me the woman. Go.
Oh, that was a nice ship we had once. Hey, did you see the same thing I saw? I'm gonna take another look at that thing, see what that was. That's the biggest buzzard I ever saw. Where the fella go?
Oh, where am I? Hey, keep away from me, you! Stop that! Let me alone! Don't do that! I'll slap your face right!
Come here.
I won't!
Get up, sugar, and give us a little smack.
I'll give you a smack all right there!
Hey, we gotta save olive oil. Come on, Wimpy, hurry up before it's too late. Into the brink. Line everybody up. What's this? The Isle of Sinbad. Enter not, or whosoever passeth out. Sinbad. This is... What are you trying to be funny?
Oh, luncheon.
Well, here I go within it. Ooh. I don't like this place at all. Sorry I ever came in here. It's kind of spooky to me around here. What's this? Oh, yeah. Oh. Trying to scare me like that, huh? Can you imagine them dumb mama nose trying to scare me like that, huh? Oh, can you read that? Oh.
Save me!
Oh, I'm coming, Olive. I just got a little wall here. Oh.
Do I hear footprints up there?
Oh.
I want to stop! I want to stop this dancing!
Stop!
Huh?
Yeah,
Popeye!
Oh,
Who invited you?
I did. What are you gonna do about it, huh? How did you get in here?
Oh! Fouled again. I must resort to my last hamburger. Oh. Oh! Huh?
Hey, I wants me Goyle.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Who are you?
I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. Who are you?
Who am I?
You heard what I
Who
said.
am I?
That's what I said.
Why? Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow?
Yo!
That's not a picture,
phenomenal, extra special kind of fellow. I'm all made up, nobody under the sun. All I say is, boo when my enemies run. Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow? Who?
Popeye the Sailor.
What?
You better fix your shirt there, young fella. Hey,
Well, let's see how great you are.
Hey, let me down, you big... Oh, what's this? Hey, let me down, you big overgrown canary. What are you doing? Take me for a ride or something? Hey. Oh.
Popeye! Popeye, so long, so long! Come back to me!
There you are with gravy. The old goose has cooked this time. Hey, hey, don't you think we better talk this thing over?
Try and get out of this one.
Oh, my head, foot.
Comfort to sleep, my baby kid, my peaches and cream, my baby kid. If you don't sleep, my baby kid, I close for you your two eyes like this. Yeah.
Oh, 2 against 1, huh? How do you like that? Huh?
What for you like that Popeye smack our face? How do you like about that? You hold that Popeye in this hand. By carbonate, if I had that mug in this hand, I make from him special dish of chop fricassees. I don't like chop Popeye fricassees. I make for you to like it.
Oh, why you two-headed face for our fiction? How do you like that? Come on, you're gonna take a double header this time. Wham! Well, I guess I fixed those two fellas. I won't hear from them. Oh, yeah? Oh. Who's gonna make who like chicken fricassee, huh?
There's only room for one great sailor in this world. That's me.
Oh, says you. We're gonna come to terms right now. Oh, yeah? What do you mean, your island? Is that so? That's too bad, huh? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, you can push me just so far. That's all I gotta say now. Oh. Beat for beat, kiddo. That's what I gotta say. Take that. Hey. Oh. Oh. Peekaboo. I sock you. Oh.
Work.
Oh. Oh. Hey. Oh.
What do you like that?
Oh, this is do you give up? What are you, a fresh guy or something? I'll show you. I can see. Up. Don't leave me now. Oh. wrong places, young fella. Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fella?
Popeye the Sailor!
This has been a presentation of the Library of Congress. Visit us at loc.gov.